Hi guys, in this video I will guide you on how to set your own pictures as screensaver on Android TV. Now over here I do have a TCL Android TV, but this will work out for literally any brand of Android TV you have, whether it's a Hisense Android TV, Sony Android TV, Panasonic Android TV, or any Android TV box or Android TV stick. By the end of this video, you should be able to display your own photos or pictures as a screensaver on your Android TV. Now, before we proceed, I would like to let you know that this is not absolutely free. The software used for doing this has both a free version and a paid version, and you can only use the free trial for about 3 days, but the paid version is quite cheap as well. It only costs about $2 for lifetime. The truth is that with the introduction of Google TV, Google no longer pays so much attention to Android TVs, which is actually the older versions of Google TVs. And currently, they do not make any option available for users to be able to update their screensavers on their Android TVs. And that is why some software are offering you this for some fee. To display your own pictures as screensaver on any Android TV you have, first thing you want to do is to navigate to the App Store of your Android TV. So in my case, if I go over to the Google Play Store, literally over here, from the Google Play Store, locate the search icon usually at the top right of the Google Play Store. And then from the search input field over here, you want to search for the Pixfolio application, and you can literally see the app suggestion over here. Proceed to select on it, and then make sure you download and install this application into your Android TV. And once you have the app, you want to go ahead and open it up directly from here by just tapping on the open button. Now at this point, you want to click on the connect button over here, then click on OK. And now you want to get your iPhone or Android phone, then proceed to scan the QR code on the application, just like so. Open it up on any browser. At this point, select your Google account. If you have multiple Google accounts, I'll select this one. Then click on continue from over here. Make sure you tap on the check button over here so that the Pixfolio application would have access to your Google Photos using your Google account. So I'll click on the check button and then just proceed to click on the continue button at the bottom over here, and you're good to go. Now you want to just give it a couple of seconds and you'll be redirected to the next page. At this point, you just want to adjust the aspect ratio if it does not fit your TV by default. Mine actually fits the aspect ratio of my TV, so I'll go ahead and tap on the OK button. Proceed to click on next. And at this point, you want to come over to your phone again. Proceed to open up the camera application on your phone and then also scan this particular QR code. Open it up on any browser of your choice, just like so. Automatically, this is going to access your Google Photos using the account which is actually linked to your Google account. So at this point, what you just want to do is to go through all of the photos on your Google Photos and then select the pictures which you want to set as screensaver on your Android TV. So I'll go ahead and select this one. If in your case you do not see photos from the Google Photos app, what you want to do is to download the Google Photos app either from the iOS App Store or Google Play Store. Log in with the same Google account that is used for setting up this application on your Android TV. Then you can go ahead and upload photos from your phone's gallery into the Google Photos app, and then you should be able to find all of the photos from over here. In my case, I have just selected 8 photos, so I'll go ahead and just tap on the done button at the top over here. Give it a couple of seconds and you're good to go. Now you just want to give the application some few seconds on your Android TV. And as soon as it is done, you want to just go ahead and tap on the play photos as a slideshow, then scroll over to the right and then tap on next. Tap on next. You can also choose to show time, weather, or photo details. I will go ahead and show weather, and then just tap on next and you're good to go. Now, because I have been using the application, I do not have the free trial option. But if you're using the application for the first time, you're going to see the free trial option. Or if you have the money, you can as well just go ahead and make subscription for a lifetime over here. In my case, I'll just go ahead and exit from over here, and now you're good to go. Now, the final step you want to take is to go over to the home of your Android TV, scroll over to the settings on the top right. And then you want to scroll all the way down until you get to device preferences, then scroll down again until you get to screensaver. And now you can tap on screensaver and then make sure you select on the Pixfolio option over here, and you're good to go. Now you can go ahead and start your screensaver immediately to see the effect. At this point, you should be able to see your photos which you have set as screensaver on your Android TV being displayed, and you can also change them with the buttons on your remote control. You can literally see it is currently changing. And even if you're at the home of your Android TV, it should automatically start showing the pictures from the Pixfolio application whenever it is time to show the screensaver on your Android TV. And I hope this was helpful. Please let me know in the comment section and subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys.